Hi, I'm Paul Barron. I work for CMT Group here at Spray River Flats Quarry. Got these two pieces of keys track equipment which we find fantastic, and during maintenance periods and everything else we do rely on the how-to videos. You know, how-tos like sort of changing your feeder belt in the crusher, how to adjust your conveyor belts, and the information that is actually forthcoming from those is actually tremendous, and it saves a lot of time of being on the phone with Robin. So by having these the library videos on all this equipment, if you can't work it out from what you see on the videos, there is that backup of actually giving them a call, and you are guaranteed that you will get a positive response on actually how to and understand what those videos are trying to tell you and actually how to complete the job.